Today I will discuss the solution of question number 49. The question is water which has density 100 kg per meter cube flows through an inclined pipe of uniform diameter. Diameter is uniform. The velocity, pressure and elevation at section A are VA is equal to 3.2 meter per second. VA is velocity at point A and PA pressure at point A is equal to 186 kilo Pascal and ZA elevation at point A is 24.5 meter respectively, and those at section B are VB is equal to 3.2 meter per second, PB is equal to 260 kilopascal and ZB is 9.1 meter respectively. If acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square, then the head lost due to friction is dash meter, round off to 1 decimal place. So this is a question based on Bernoulli equation. Already we have solved the question based on Bernoulli equation. Okay. So in previous question and this question there is slight difference. Only the difference is of elevation. In previous question the elevation at 2 points is was same. Okay. Or you can say in previous question the nozzle was horizontal and the 2 points are at same height from the ground, but this in this question there is a inclined plane. Okay, there will be some elevation from the ground. Okay, so here z1 and z2 are not equal. Z2 z1 and z2 means za and zb are not equal. Okay, and we have to find the head loss due to friction. As we know that when there is a flow through any pipe there will be some head lost due to friction, and which can be counted at the outlet of the any section. Okay, so let's solve this question. I will solve this question on another page. Okay, I have already drawn this picture. So this is a inclined pipe in which the water is flowing. Water is flowing from inlet to outlet. Okay, in the question it is given that the diameter of the pipe is uniform. It means there is no variation in the area of the pipe from inlet to outlet. So area will remain the same from inlet to outlet. As we know that from continuity equation, when area is uniform then the velocity will remain the same. Okay, so in the question it is clearly mentioned that va is equal to vb is equal to 3.2 meter per second. So velocity at inlet and outlet are same because area is uniform. Okay, and za is 24.5 meters and zb is 9.1 meter, and acceleration due to gravity is given as 10 meter per second square, and pa is 186 kilopascal and pb is 260 kilopascal. Okay, so we have to assume that the flow is steady, incompressible and inviscid flow. Okay, so we can apply Bernoulli equation from these on these 2 points. Okay, so applying Bernoulli equation, we are considering here these 2 points, point A and point B. So applying Bernoulli equation on these 2 points. So according to Bernoulli equation, Pa upon rho g plus Va square upon 2g plus Za will be equal to Pb upon rho g plus Vb square upon 2g plus Zb. Here Va is equal to Vb, so this term and this term will cancelled out. Okay, so remaining equation will be like this: Pa minus Pb upon rho g, and we have to find the head lost due to friction. So head lost will be counted at the outlet, so head loss will be there, HF, and we have to find the value of HF. Okay, so plus ZA minus of ZB is equal to HF, and the value of HF we have to calculate. So finally HF will be equal to Pa is given as 186 kilopascal, 186, and Pb is 260 to minus 260. This is in kilopascal and converting it into pascal. So multiplying by 1000 upon rho g. Rho is density of water, which is 1000, and g is 10, plus Za 24.5 minus Zb is 9.1. Okay, when we will calculate, this whole term will be equal minus 7.4 plus 24.5 minus 9.1. This is HF. So finally HF will be equal to 8.0 meter. So this is the our answer. So we have to calculate the head loss due to friction as 8.0 meter, and this is the correct answer. As per GATE answer, the answer of this question was given as 7.9 to 8.1 meter. So our answer is a correct answer. Thank you very much.